Today I am reviewing the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. First up is the all-in-one station, which takes convenience to a whole new level. Unlike many robot vacuums that require manual emptying or mop cleaning, the Omni C20 station automatically empties the dust bin and washes and dries the mop after each cleaning session. The mop drying uses room temperature air, which is gentler and energy efficient. The transparent water tanks allow you to monitor the water levels easily without the hassle of opening the station. This means minimal maintenance, truly a hands-free cleaning experience. Cleaning power is another highlight of the Omni C20. It delivers an impressive 7,000 pascals of suction power. This strong suction, combined with a rolling brush and side brush, efficiently picks up dust, pet hair, crumbs, and debris from various floor types, including hardwood, tile, and low to medium pile carpets. While actual performance can vary based on your floor type and dust levels, this robot vacuum is built to tackle everyday messes effortlessly. One of the clever features of this vacuum is its Pro-Detangle Comb. Hair tangles are a common issue with robot vacuums, especially in homes with pets or long-haired residents. The Omni C20 addresses this by rotating the roller brush in reverse, while the Detangle Comb flips down to loosen and remove hair from the brush automatically. This not only keeps the brush running efficiently, but also saves you from frequent manual cleaning. The vacuum's slim profile, measuring just 3.35 inches tall, allows it to clean under beds, sofas, desks, and other low-clearance furniture where dust and dirt tend to accumulate. This is a huge advantage for comprehensive cleaning, reducing the need for you to get down on your hands and knees to clean those hard-to-reach spots. The Mop Master technology provides dual sweeping and mopping modules that work simultaneously, applying 180 rotations per minute with a pressure of 6 newtons to remove tough stains and grime. You can control the vacuum and mop functions through the eufy app, scheduling cleanings and setting preferences to fit your lifestyle. It's worth noting that the Omni C20 currently supports only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, so make sure your home network is compatible. Also, voltage requirements may vary by region, so it's best to purchase the model specific to your location. In conclusion, the eufy Robot Vacuum Omni C20 is a feature-packed robot that combines strong suction, smart mop cleaning with automatic washing and drying, and a compact design. Its all-in-one station provides a truly hands-free experience, making it ideal for busy households and pet owners. If you want a convenient, powerful, and low-maintenance robot vacuum and mop combo, the Omni C20 is an excellent choice for 2025 and beyond.